hard. So basically that's it for the cars. That's like all the cars that are really on site. The only thing else I need to check out is the drift show, drift competition, drift show, drift something. They're drifting. Right over there. May I borrow one of your chairs? I just want to sit like right there because my battery's charging. I'll give it back if you need it. I'll be right in front of you. These guys are exceptionally awesome for lending me a chair. What's your name? Matthew. Kelly. Nice to meet you. Pleasure to meet you. Thank you so much for the chair. You guys are in the vlog. All right. What's your name?
Michaela.
Michaela, nice to meet you. All right. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
So nice. Okay. Recap for today. We saw a lot of cars. Really excited. Hey!
How are you? Can I be on camera with you? Oh my God!
How's it going?
Oh my God!
Friend from a long time ago.
Oh my God! My name's Mike Tolliver.
Mike Tolliver.
Yeah.
We've been good friends for a long time.
Dance Wars, man.
And
have a good one.
We're here at the Nissanfest.
Nissanfest.
All right. Are you having fun?
I'm having a great time.
I love the cars. I love the races. Everything's so cool.
See you later, man.
See you around. Back to my recap. Still haven't gotten food, and I've lost completely everyone. Absolutely completely everyone. But it's okay. I'm charging my battery. I'm gonna stop the vlog for now. So I will catch you guys later. Hopefully I get to run into some people and hopefully we can find our friends. Ciao for now. Later, neighbors. In the meantime, I'm just gonna grab a tripod so I can hurry up and grab a time lapse. So I got a time lapse right here, shooting out there. I need to get a time lapse, so I decided to just make do with the framing. It looks really cool. Hold on.
Bring me a dream. Make him the cutest that I've ever seen.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey, you know, we out here with the bros. Hey, it gets lit in Seattle. Just know we lit.
Subscribe to Kelly Chow Films.
I got you.
Kelly Chow Films.
What's your channel called?
What?
What's your channel called?
Kelly Chow Films.
I got you.
Nice, man. Thanks.
Bring me a dream. Make him the cutest that I've ever seen. Bring me a dream. Make him the cutest that I've ever seen.
Hey, what do you know? My battery's done. Green light means done. Good to go. So now I really gotta find out where everyone is. Kinda hungry. I need some food. Food would be good. So I will catch you guys